I mean, they're not perfect for summer because my foot does sweat in them a little bit, and like I said, it is better to have a sock on. But as far as like a house shoe, that's kind of what I've been utilizing these as, and they've been great as a house shoe, especially because I wear more just flat sandals when I go out, and then when I come back, you put these on and it's like walking on a cloud. Those nodes really do, I don't know, they massage your feet. They feel good, whether you're kind of sitting down with your feet planted and kind of rubbing them, or when you're walking, so you can't really go. What's going on, everybody? I'm Jeff Robe, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, how you doing? Today, I got us some Dhgate items from the Dhgate Top Sports Market. If you've been watching this channel, you got to recognize that name because I've gotten countless items from them, and all of them are always banger. This time, I opted to not get box with the product. All that does is just make sure that I get the product way quicker than I would have got it with the box. Just adding those few extra ounces and those few extra inches on the package really just tends to get it caught up. We are approaching, the last quarter of the year, so that means all of the department stores are going to start ordering their Christmas time and Thanksgiving stuff. So do expect the shipping times to slow down just a little bit on top of all the other world events that have been going on. But with all that being said, I made this order 2 weeks ago. If that, I think it's been about 12 business days, and I've already got them. So if you're wanting some stuff quick for either the start of the school year, maybe get some early Christmas gifts, then this video is for you, especially if you're into some sneakers. Like I said, Dhgate Top Sport Market, you can't go wrong. But let's bust this baby open and see what we're working with. I assume this goes, there is 2 pairs in here. Cool. This might give it away here. Oh yeah. Cool. So we got some Nike Mind, which is gonna be right here. And they do, keep the wrapping paper, so you do have that if you want that. So boom, right there, get those out the way real quick. And then I got the other pair right here, and came with the little keep the air safe and protected inside thingy. Don't really need any of this, but it does come with it. In the Garbo it goes, and then the Nike Mind card just says Nike Mind on the back. Which one should we do first? Let's do these first, and we'll save the Nike Mind last. So this is Alaia. I'm not quite sure, but these are just kind of like a Mary Jane open front sandal. Obviously these aren't going to be for me, these are for the girlfriend, but very casual, but also very business. And it being 100 degrees outside, having that open top is going to be really nice. Does come with a silver buckle right here, and the sole feels really good. You could definitely smack the crap out of a 2-year-old with one of these for sure. But made in Italy. This one is a size 39. These bad boys are going to be on the Top Sports Market Dhgate page, and it's going to be on there as designer Mary Jane ballet flats. These things are going for about 29 to 35 bucks. If you do order on your computer, you will save 10% more. There is a first-time buyer coupon pack for Top Sports Market as well, so if you haven't bought anything from his store, now is a wonderful time to buy and save you some money. They do have women's and men's sizes and shoes and styles. Golden Goose, Asics, Yeezys, Jordans, pretty much everything. I love the store. I've bought thousands of dollars worth of items from his store, and I've never had an issue. Shipping right now is about $20, so 35 plus 20 leaves you about 55. But I imagine these bad boys at the department store are fetching over $100 at the moment, just based off this brand name. Let's actually look it up really quick and see what it's going for, because this is kind of a more niche Italian brand that I haven't heard of before. Or let's just do, oh yeah, 1,550 bones, 888 for the rhinestone. Holy smokes. I'm curious on how you pronounce it. But these are, yeah, just this mesh black one on their website, $990 on Neiman Marcus. So 55 bones from Top Sport Market. Save yourself some money and beat the heat. You know, wearing this bad boy, open top, let the dogs breathe. Man, can't go wrong. And let's pop a video real quick here and just see how you pronounce it, because it's going to bug me if I don't get to the bottom of that. Okay, so Elia. So we got to the bottom of that. But like I said, 960 bones, or you can cop them from Top Sports Market, 55 bucks. Save yourself some money, make your girlfriend happy, make your daughter happy, make your mom happy. Like I said, Christmas time is coming up, and most of the stuff I've gotten, actually not most, all of the stuff I've gotten from Top Sport Market has been very quality. None of it I've gotten and it's just like falling apart. That just doesn't really happen. So let's move into this next pair, which is going to be these Nike Mind, and I got a little bit some info on them. But if we remember correctly, I got the black pair not too long ago, and I've been wearing these around the house. They're still holding up really nice. I actually don't like wearing these outside because I didn't want to get a bunch of gunk in the nose, because I'm sure these things are a pain in the butt to clean. But for the most part, and one other thing, I'm going to have to test out this new pair too to see if they've changed anything. But when you're wearing it, like, and your foot's in here, this kind of rubs the top of my foot. So I found it's best to wear it with socks. But other than that, the actual feel of the shoe is phenomenal. So here we go. We got Nike Mind 001 right there, 11, and this is Geoteal Chrome. Oh yeah. And if you notice, they went away from the orange and did yellow on this one. I don't think they added any more nodes. I think it's still the same number. And then the rest of the colorways have a monochrome upper, and this one has gradient side panels. So if you see, it starts off at that light, and then it does get darker at the top. Silver Nike swoosh going horizontal right there, so that's pretty sick. And then you get the yellow dots on the inside. You can see how it's vented with the light shining through up there at the top. It kind of reminds me of the candy that used to come on the sheets, and like you'd peel off the little candy buttons and eat them. That's kind of what this reminds me of. Little logo on the back that says Mind. Does this one have that? Yeah. This one's like plastic, and this one, okay, this one's plastic too. But the one on the black is more gray, and the one on the new one is a lot more shiny, if you notice. These things as well, like I said, order with the no box. Get them a lot quicker than you would normally with the box. And I mean, who really keeps the box anyways? Comes with tags and everything. Came with the tissue paper. So really, you don't really need the box. Made in Vietnam, designed in Oregon. That's on the inside. Get this Nike Mind Science Department card right here that kind of has a breakdown of the shoe, so that's pretty sick. And these things are really, I mean, they're not perfect for summer because my foot does sweat in them a little bit, and like I said, it is better to have a sock on. But as far as like a house shoe, that's kind of what I've been utilizing these as, and they've been great as a house shoe, especially because I wear more just flat sandals when I go out. And then when I come back, you put these on and it's like walking on a cloud. Those nodes really do, I don't know, they massage your feet. They feel good, whether you're kind of sitting down with your feet planted and kind of rubbing them, or when you're walking. So you can't really go bad. Let's see. This was released April 2nd, so it's been out for a little bit. You guys should be able to get this colorway from Top Sports Market. Don't think you'll have any issues with that. He is selling them from 37 to 45 bucks. Like I said, you are going to save 10% if you order from your desktop, along with the coupon package that he has on his page. So I will source everything on my Discord. I can't really source Dhgate links here on YouTube, but if you pop over to Discord, I'll have the Dhgate links there, or you can just search the exact name of the screenshots that I put up, and then that may take you to it, but I'd rather you use my link in the Discord. Also, if there's any other items or specific items you want, you can ask for those in the Discord as well. So yeah, super sweet video. Alaya ballet sandies for the woman, and then, you know, caught me a new pair of the Nike Mind slides because I've been liking mine so much. If you haven't got any, hit Top Sports Market up, get you a pair. And yeah, I'm Jeff Robe. Thanks for tuning in today, and I'll see you soon when I got some more stuff for you.